The Milltronics 9000 series control is a Windows-based platform that operates with a 15-inch color LCD touchscreen and comes equipped with all of the user-friendly features that the Milltronics CNC controls are known for. Below the LCD touchscreen, you will see the machine controls: the hand wheel, the feed override control, a set of miscellaneous control keys, the spindle override control, and the emergency stop button. On the right-hand side of the touchscreen, you will see the alphanumeric keypads that are used for programming. Next, let's take a look at the display screen. In the top left corner, you will see the program runtime and the machine status. In the top right, you will see feed hold, single block, optional stop, block skip, and the rotating Milltronics logo. In the box below, you will see the machine position display. To the left side of the screen is the status window. This displays cutter comp, active tool, next tool, tool length, tool diameter, work coordinates, clearance plane, feed rate, spindle, spindle load meter, the cycle if a cycle is currently active, dwell, coolant, part counter, the current time of day, and active program display. Below the status window is the user info window. This will display pictures to assist you during conversational programming, and it will also show program blocks when a program is running. On the bottom of the screen, you will see a series of F keys. Let's take a look at what some of these do. F1, Home. Press this button to move the machine back to its home position. F2, Jog. Press this button to manually adjust the position of the machine. F3, Hand Wheel. This mode is used to move the machine using the electronic hand wheel on the control. F4, Run. This mode will allow you to initiate a program from the beginning, at a certain block number, or with a certain tool within the program. You can also pick a specific line of code within the program as your starting point. F5, MDI. This allows you to use G or M codes to enter single or multiple commands. F6, Display. This mode allows you to customize how graphics will be displayed on the screen. F7, Parameters. This key will provide access to parameters, the most common being the work coordinate and tool table parameters. F8, Program. You can choose to program using conversational or text editor for G-code programs. F9, Verify. This mode allows you to verify the active program, showing a simulated tool path in wireframe using solid model graphics. F10, Utility. This key has options such as F1 to shut down, F3 for DSA setup, F4 to initiate a tool change, F5 to access file utilities, F7, Panel, F8, Info, F9 to use a calculator, F10, Features, F11, Auger Reverse, and Escape to exit. Thanks for watching this introductory overview of the Milltronics 9000 series control.